We are going to look at asset management today. You can categorize your asset into tag groups for easy access and annotation delegation. Now, let's go to the Dataset tab. Under the setting icon beside Select Group, you'll find all your existing group names listed. You can rename your existing group by clicking to rename. And let's try to create a new group name and upload some new images. We go to Setting, type in the new group name for Sunflower, and enter to add a group. Then, we'll add new images. At the next step, we can then select the new group that we have just created and upload the files. And after they are uploaded, we can now select the group with the name to filter and show them. Next, let's look at how we can combine some selection logic to get a combination of groups we want. We're going to filter by group dogs or squirrels. And as shown here, we have two dog images in the dog2 group. We can select dog and squirrel together and get the images that are grouped under either one. If we select Match All and filter by dog and squirrels, no results will be returned because we don't have any images that exist in both dog and squirrel groups. But if we select Match Any instead, we'll get the images that exist either in dog group or squirrel group. Now, if we want to update the group assignment, we can select the images that we want through our bulk actions, edit group, and update with dog-1 group instead. After updating, we can now see that the images can be filtered when we filter under both dog1 or 2 groups. Just a note that we can also edit the annotation statuses, such as annotated, review, or delete images in bulk through the bulk actions. Now, if we want to manage the group categories, we can go to Settings, and we can rename the group or delete the group by clicking on the cross button. You can check the box if we want to delete both the groups and images together, or we can only delete the group without the images. Now, this also works on the annotators. If we go to Annotator from the sidebar, we can select Filter. Similar to what we have in Dataset Group Filtering, we can filter exactly the images under each group tag. This will be useful for collaborations, for example, if you want to have annotators to work on selected group tags.